Okay, welcome back to the barn video part 2. Timer started. U. Floor supply by fountain. Yeah, I get that. Stem wall top. What am I trying to do? I don't know what I'm trying to do. I don't know why that wall doesn't go all the way down to U. Oh, floor is at 0? U. Okay, what's the difference between the two of these? What is the difference? Notice this specification box. Stem wall top is at, I don't know why it's at that height. How about minus 11? It went up a little bit. Oh, Control Z. I don't even know what I did there. Okay, now it's all right. I know I have a gap there. But there's something that I did when I went down to here. U. 0, 0 minus 46 and an eighth. U. There it is right there. 0, 0. Did I just do it? You got what I'm saying? I think I just did it. I don't know what I did. I don't know how I did it, but I think I did it. Well, how about this? How about you? I want the ceiling at 0, and I want the floor at minus 12. I want to. Okay. 0 minus 12. U. 0 minus 12. You think I did it? F6. Nope, I still didn't do it. Look at this. I mean, I should be able to control that. What is the difference between those two rooms? That's the question. What's the difference between those two rooms? U. Do I want a ceiling and roof over here? No, I don't think so. Do I want a ceiling and roof over here? No, I don't think so. U. 0 minus 12, 12, 12. Stem wall is, does that matter? 36. 0 minus 12, 12, 12, 12. U. Oh. I'll just default. That's so weird, man. Are these both open? Oh, open to below. Oh, that's a garage, you dipshit. U. Open. There, now I got it. Sorry. Sorry. See, I like to. That's the way I sort of work with these things. Open to belows. And now that's good. And if I cut a section through there, hopefully those studs sit right on top of the sill plate. Okay. Cut through there. F6. No, it doesn't. Now, why do I have a gap right there? Why do I have a gap right there? This isn't rocket science. I swear, man, it's not rocket science. I think I played with this one time before. These fucking sill plates just drive me nuts. Header, roof, post, openings, sills, 1.5. Because it's F12. Why don't I have a sill plate there? I don't know. So what's the... Okay, is this room the same? Floor below. Oh, floor below is... No. Floor below is minus 24. And I want a stem wall of 48. Minus 24, stem wall of 48. U. Floor's at minus 24, stem wall of 48. Seems like I have a different... Yeah, now that's all good. Now that's all good. And I can control my... yeah, I don't know how deep you want your footings, depending on how deep you want your footings. But here's the question. Why do I have a gap there? Why don't I have a sill? Oh, I didn't have my floor framing shown. That's why. Yeah, there. Now that's the deal. I didn't have my floor framing shown, and because this has a okay. Now watch this. Now watch this. Now here's the key. Here's the key right here. I don't want a double sill plate, right? So here's the key. Come over here, and we've talked about this before. Posted beams. Where is it? Headers. It's in openings. The sill is in openings. Make it 0. Now let's see what happens. F12. Nothing. I don't get it, man. I really don't get it. Openings, sills. Suppose if I make this... Oh, do I have my automatic framing on? That's the question. Automatic. I don't know. So let's go back here to framing. Openings, double sill, 1.5. Let's see what just happens. F12. Oh, I don't know. Oh, over here, watch this. Watch this. Framing. Yeah, see, I got floor framing in there. Okay. Now you're gonna see the now you see the double sill. Now let's go over here to let's go over to here and go to openings. Foundation. Now I forget. Where do I control my sill width? You know, you can get 2x8s and 2x... I forget. I don't remember. Oh, don't watch this crap, man. I know I can control my sill width. Edit. I know this is painful. Painful. You'd think by now I'd know this crap. Foundation. There it is right there. 8. Done. Yeah, now you got your 8-inch sill. Okay, now let's go over to here and edit. Maybe that's where it is in the default settings. And I was screwed up in the framing. Height 0. There it is. Sorry I spent so much time doing this. And that's the problem with this is I'm gonna put a barn in the same plan as my house. My house is gonna want a sill. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's not really the way they would do this. I mean, really, I think what they would do is they'd have a 2x8 sill here, and they put their 2x6 or 4x4 posts on top of that. That's one way of doing it. I mean, it is a way of doing it. Anyway, timer up. So just to recap on this really quick, what all did I do? I created a new wall type made out of 4x6s. And to do that, you had to go Control C. You had to go to your material list, and you had to make first studs 4x4s at 48. And if you edit that, that's where you get to set your spacing for your studs. And this is where you change it from 2x to 4x. So it's opposed opposed to being construction. And then if you come back here and you use your framing reference, and I don't know why I don't have. Anyway, framing reference. I don't know. I thought there would be a F12. Hey. Check that out, man. F12. Is that framing reference not working now? Automatic. Automatic. Okay. All right, change this wall to open wall type is siding 6. Check that out. Oh wait. F12. Now why isn't the framing reference working anymore? That is a framing reference, right? Hang on. Roof, use framing reference. F12. Isn't that weird? It's not even working anymore. What did I do wrong? F12. Yeah, framing references? I don't know why it's not working now. I'm going to go to part 3. Now I'm confused.